Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q7 headlight bulb. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety, then open the hood and locate the headlight housing. Remove the protective cover and any retention clips to access the bulb, keeping parts organized. Handle the new bulb by its base and avoid touching the glass surface. Reassemble in reverse order, reconnect the battery, and test the beam alignment and brightness. Before you touch the bulb, wear gloves and make sure the car is cool to the touch to avoid burns. Locate the bulb retaining clip or twist collar and release it gently while supporting the bulb to prevent it from dropping. Pull the old bulb straight out without forcing it and inspect the socket for corrosion or debris that could affect the new bulb. Compare the new bulb to the old one to confirm type and orientation. Handle the replacement bulb by the base and align its tabs to the housing before seating it fully to ensure proper fit. Refasten the retaining clip or twist collar until it locks, then reconnect the electrical plug firmly to avoid intermittent contact. Replace any removed panels or covers and tighten fasteners. Turn on the headlights to check high and low beams, then adjust the aim if necessary to restore correct beam pattern and visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.